In today's video, we are reviewing GEEKOM IT12 Mini PC. And the best part is it supports 8K output with dual USB 4 for super fast speed and smooth multi-screen work. I have provided the link to this mini PC in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now let's talk about why this tiny computer is getting so popular. The GEEKOM IT12 is a compact mini desktop that comes with the powerful Intel Core i7-1280p processor, so it can handle daily work, office tasks, study, browsing, and even heavy apps like video editing and design much better than basic mini PCs. It comes with Windows 11 Pro already installed, so you can start using it right away without any setup stress. You also get 16GB RAM and a super fast 1TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, which means fast boot time, quick app opening, and smooth multitasking. And the best thing is both are expandable, so you can upgrade later if you need more power. For connectivity, it gives you dual USB 4 ports, dual HDMI, and supports up to 4 displays, which is amazing for creators, traders, coders, and anyone who loves a clean multi-monitor setup. It also includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, so your internet stays stable for meetings, streaming, and cloud work. Cooling is also strong because it uses a bigger fan and an upgraded cooling system, so it stays quiet and doesn't overheat easily even during long working hours. This mini PC is best for students, office users, business setups, and anyone who wants a powerful desktop without a big tower taking space. And finally, you get a 3-year warranty, which is a big plus for long-term peace of mind. So if you want a fast, compact, and reliable mini PC that feels premium and performs like a full desktop, the GEEKOM IT12 is a great choice. And don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal.